It's been a minute. Welcome back. Y'all, look at my locks. They're getting longer. What's up? Oh, look. Oh, Jesus Christ. Look, all in. Anyways, I started my business back up. Started making products. My skin's like all glossy. But I'm not here for that. I'm here for my video, guys. I am about to organize the kitchen back up. Have y'all seen a new setup for the house? Got a couple things, got a couple little organizing thingies and whatnot. So this is my little setup over here for the computer, but Jazzy Classy Creations. I'm about to go ahead and clean the whole kitchen area out, guys. That's taken, hold up. That's taking everything. I'm taking everything out of the cabinets. Each cabinet feels like it's all unorganized. Taking everything out of the cabinets and cleaning them. Redoing everything. Taking everything out. Because it's time. You know, it's time. So that's what I'm about to be doing today. I am redoing. I'm going to be throwing away stuff. It's dirty in there. I'm going to be throwing away stuff. Clean up stuff. See how these cabinet drawers, look at this. Look at this, so unorganized. There's so much space, cabinet space I can utilize. Especially down here. So I'm about to like take everything out of all the cabinets and redo everything. So I'm not gonna talk that much. I'm just gonna get to it because I know my camera's gonna be like up and down, up and down, up and down. And I just want to get it done because if I keep having to talk and stop, see, like now, talk and stop. So I'm gonna set you guys up and let's just get to it because it's gonna take a long time. It's gonna be a long day, but I gotta get it done. And I also want to put my curtains back up because they fell. I had bought these command sticks. I mean, these little things right here from the Dollar Tree, and I pulled one of them down on accident. So I just gotta, y'all can see, I just gotta redo this one. This one stayed, but this one came down on accident. So it was because of me. And also the outside one I gotta redo. Put the patio stuff, I got some patio stuff outside. Got a little rug to go outside on the carpet outside. Whew, yeah, I'm on a breath because I'm not used to doing this camera stuff again. But I wanna come back. So I want to, hold up. My son had broke my legs on here. I also got an infinity belt. So I started that today. Which today's date is, we're in March, right? January, March. We're in March. I think today's the March 29th or something. Yep. Today is Saturday, March 29th. You can see? You can see? Saturday, March 29th. And that's the day I'm going to spring my house up, clean it up, and get this done. My daughter just not getting up. The boys are going to get their hair cut. My little one is sleeping because I don't want anybody messing up his hair. Sorry guys, y'all in my nose, huh? Why y'all in my nose? Back up. Back up out my nose, y'all. But anyways, let's set you guys up and let's get this done. Okay? organizing everything. I got it in here. This is done. I got this done. I got this done. That up there. Got my new drink thing in the freezer. My new stuff right there in the freezer. I'm gonna get that thing I got from outside. I just redid the cabinet again. Redid the cabinet again. It looks nice. It looks nice. Okay. This down here, guys. This is new. We just got it's like a little griller. And these little things right there. This is new again. So it looks nice under there. Organize in there. Organize in there. Organize in here. It's so much cleaner now too. Don't mind the noise in the back. Kids are picking up stuff, trash and stuff. Organized in here. Organized in here. So that is pretty much all the kitchen organization. Y'all look at the bags. He say, hey. Y'all look at the bags. Look at the trash. This is crazy. So I got a little shelf. I'm gonna try to put it, I don't know, somewhere over here, which the air fryer and the toaster's gonna go on top. These toasters getting laid on. Go get it. Okay.
Where'd she go? She's not even in here.
I found her. I found her. Where's she at? Where's she at? Hey! Oh, I found her. She on the floor. But I just gotta finish up these dishes right here. Many little dishes. Put these on the counter. I accidentally dropped dishes a few minutes ago, but it still works. Toast is gonna go over there. I'm gonna get a bread make. We're gonna get a bread. I'm gonna see if I can find a bread little compartment thing in the jiggy. And this is also gonna go on that side as well. And I'm so excited. I'm so happy that it's organized, clean. Don't mind the dishes because it's done. But if y'all enjoyed this video, I know it was kind of like all over the place, but hope y'all enjoyed. Oh yeah, I did this new thing I got too. Guess you put like little stuff in there. And I did put the medicine. Gotta climb up the medicine cabinet over there. Yeah, that is it. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm back